Hello everybody, it's Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Today is a very exciting day because it's the global debut of the all-new Honda City Hatchback in Thailand. Yes, it's coming to Malaysia, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a full rundown of this new hatchback. Download the official WapCar app now on Google Play Store. The 4th generation Honda Jazz, or Fit as they call it in Japan, will not be making its way to the ASEAN region. That cute little city car is only bound for Japan, Europe and China. But in its place to fill its void will be this all-new Honda City Hatchback. Yep, so the Malaysian market will no longer get the Jazz, will only be getting the City as a hatchback or sedan. This is not the first time the City nameplate is on a hatchback. If you remember, the original 1st and 2nd generation City were both hatchbacks. Now, the name City Hatchback, as the name suggests, is essentially a hatchback version of the City Sedan. It shares the same wheelbase as the City Sedan, except that being a hatchback, it's shorter and taller in dimensions. Everything is taken lock, stock, barrel from the City Sedan, as you can tell from the exterior design, the front end, the wheel options. The only difference in the City Hatchback is around the rear, where gone is the iconic flat shape of the old Jazz, and in its place is a much more conventional but sleek looking silhouette, much like its other competitors like the Toyota Yaris as well as Mazda 2 hatchback. Now personally, I think I need some time for the new design of the City Hatchback to grow on me. Inside again is the same design as the City Sedan that we have in Malaysia. You still get the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the new generation multifunctional steering wheel, the new instrument cluster, pretty much essentially the same as the City Sedan. However, the only difference in the City Hatchback is that the rear seats get the Ultra Seat function, which allows you to fold up the seats to different configuration for better utility. As for powertrain options, the Thai market gets a sole 1-litre 3-cylinder VTEC turbo petrol engine that makes 122 horsepower and 173 Nm of torque paired to a CVT automatic. But our Thai colleagues have mentioned that there is a possibility that in the future, the City Hatchback is offered with the 1.5-litre iMMD hybrid powertrain. What's also coming in the future is Honda's suite of ADAS, the Honda Sensing safety features that bundles autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, and possibly adaptive cruise control, which is very likely to debut with the iMMD variants. Lastly, price. The Honda City Hatchback in Thailand is priced about 10,000 baht more expensive than the equivalent City Sedan variants. However, over in Malaysia, it's the other way around, where the sedan variants are more expensive than the hatchback variants. So what about Malaysia? What can we expect from this Honda City Hatchback? Well, first things first, it's definitely coming to Malaysia, and expect it to adopt the same powertrain options as the City Sedan that we have here in Malaysia, which is the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder iVTEC DOHC petrol engine, as well as the 1.5-litre iMMD hybrid powertrain. As for the price, the 1.5-litre City Sedan variants in Malaysia retails between 74,000 to 86,000 ringgit, and its direct competitor, the direct competitor to the City Hatchback, the Toyota Yaris, retails from 71,000 ringgit to 85,000 ringgit. So we can expect that the City Hatchback will hover between the prices of the 70,000 to mid 80,000 ringgit price bracket. So there you have it, the all-new Honda City Hatchback. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of the design, and would you take it over a Toyota Yaris? As always, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Download the official WapCar app on Google Play Store now for all your latest news, reviews and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car. See you there!